What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So you guys been asking, where's Chris STI? Where's the Widebody STI? Where's the VARIS Kit STI? Status on the STI. So I am here at Elite Automotive Finish where the STI is currently at. So I just checked it out right now and it's actually pretty good. So I mean, it's still a couple other works to do, but for the majority of it, the kit is actually on. So if you guys want to check it out, stay tuned.
My name's Chris and owner of Elite Automotive Finishes. Brief rundown of what we do, very wide variety of things. Probably about 70% of what we do is actually your normal insurance collision repair stuff, but we also do anything and everything when it comes to custom stuff, restorations, a little bit of everything. So stuff like Chris's Subaru here, which you have just seen. That's right up our alley. We do a lot of body kit fitment and paint and all that stuff, but really anything auto body related, and then also anything that paint will stick to almost. We've done a wide variety of stuff. We're located in Mesa off of Broadway and Alma School, actually on 1045 West Broadway.
So there you guys have it. If you guys have any auto work, anything that you guys want to do with your car, hit up Chris. I'll link his Instagram right here. So make sure you guys follow his stuff and his builds and other cars that he's working on. So yeah, so there you guys have it. What do you guys think? It actually looks pretty clean. There's a couple of stuff that needs to be added on, but overall, I mean, the car looks like a different car. I can't wait to see when it's painted and when everything is on there. It's a little so sick. Don't mind the wheels right now. He's actually planning to get new wheels. It's gonna look complete once those wheels come in. So I mean, this car is gonna look insane when it's done. Check out all the details inside the install. Yeah, so if you guys don't know, they had to cut inside the fenders to mount this on. So everything is pretty much tapped into it. I think the rear you can just, I mean, it just goes along the body line. See if it's open. Check out the inside. This looks so good. So it looks like this bumper has to go on first, and then this piece will go over on top of it. So if you can see us drill on top of the bumpers as well. So you gotta take off the tail lights to mock it up. So look at that, everything looks so good. Let's check out the trunk. It's open. So there's that. Gonna lift it up. So look at that. It looks super good. Flushed all the way. Look at that, no gaps. Check it out, he got the ETS pipes And the way the bumper sits, so even on this side. Check that out. Look at it. Damn.
I rented him some space for a year.
So here's a carbon piece that still needs to be put on the front lip, and then the side skirts extension. That's pretty much gonna go right there. So, and I think once that is done, then it's gonna go get painted, and everything's gonna get painted, and I think it should be done. So hope you guys like how it came out. I mean, once it's done, it's gonna look sick, so stay tuned. It's actually gonna look amazing. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment below on what you guys think. Until then, stay tuned for part 3. Peace.